Hi, nice being here with you people. I still remain your host on this program, Female Child Genital Mutilation. And we are planning to have a workshop on 20th April 2021, organizing by Girls Child Rights Organization. And the workshop will start by 10 a.m. prompt. And our target audience for that workshop will be girl child from 12 to 18 years. And we will need their mothers, okay, all the women, they are invited, leaders, community leaders, and if you have the desire to attend, because the program will help us understand this objective: the immediate complication of female genital mutilation, the long-term complication of female genital mutilation, who is definitely at risk of this dreadful act, and the cultural and social factor for performing this female genital mutilation. And this program will deal on these objectives, and it will be mainly based on detailed discussion. So you prepare or you go back and research on it. Remember the date, 20th April 2021, and time still remain 10 a.m. prompt. I will be very happy to see you guys there. I will be very pleased, because when you come, you will never go back the same way you come. I know that this program will bring impact on our lives and also help save life to young women who have lost hope in this practice. And also, we are going to learn more and also help change and grow our society, likewise our country. Thank you. Bye.